guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate with some new designs that are available in my shop September 2nd, Labor Day. This is my horizontal layout that I use for journaling. I have been using my horizontal layout most days, not every day, for journaling, even though I haven't been decorating. But this current spread is for Monday, August 26th through Sunday, September 1st. We're going to be using Cozy Days. These are some new designs that are available in my shop for fall 2024. And we're going to use the matching boxes. So I also grabbed a couple washi tapes. This is the grid washi that's also available in my shop. And then this is almost like a tan brown color. I believe this is linked in the description below. I got this in a bunch of skinny washi tape off of Amazon earlier in the year. All stickers in my shop are 50% off until further notice, but you will notice that there are some changes to number one. My kits look like this from now on, and they're called boxes sheets. All of my stickers are listed in the same item, so the boxes are not listed separately from the decor or decorative sheets anymore. So if you search Cozy Days, you can choose from the small size decorative sheet or the large size boxes sheet. These are the only two options that are available in the paper stickers on my website, just for my own efficiency and to be cost effective to give you the 50% off. We're just doing the white paper sticker sheets, but I'm going to show you how you can use white paper in all of your sticker spreads or all your planner spreads to make gorgeous spreads. So let's go ahead and start. I like to always start with a long box if I have one. And we're going to white out the gray lines behind here. I did just order my 2025 planners from the Happy Planner. And I got, if you haven't noticed, their new horizontal layout actually on this side of the layout has check boxes. So it's kind of cut off, like right about here. You have the lines, and then on this side you have a checklist. But I have plans for that checklist in my journal, so stay tuned for that. I will do an unboxing and setup videos for you guys in the within the month, and we'll see kind of how I'm going to be using the new Happy Planner horizontal layout. So I'm super excited. It's something I'm going to use it for something that my therapist actually recommended that I start doing. So we're going to see how I'm going to incorporate those checklists into my planner lineup. So let's just randomly place some boxes here, and then we'll kind of decorate around the boxes. All right, so we have those, and then let's do one more and get this color in here in the middle. Let's just kind of place this one here. And then we'll decorate and make kind of clusters out of, oops, let's do it this way. We'll make clusters out of these boxes. Okay, all right, so we have this. Now let's make some boxes go off the edge of this long one that we have. So let's kind of do one here. I'm going to have to white out a couple things here. We'll white out this gray line. And then we'll white out here. And then this one. So why don't we do this one here. White out this color. And I'm not going to worry about whiting out the gray line because I don't think you can really see that. All right, so now let's bring our decorative stickers into the mix. I'm going to incorporate two quotes that I found in the black and white sticker book. This is an OG kind of sticker book from the Happy Planner that's been out for a couple years. But I definitely want to use, let's do happiness is being with you. And let's just kind of put it up here. And then I want to do in every season be grateful. We're going to do this one down here. All right, so we have our 2 quotes, and then off camera I will kind of smooth down this clear sticker paper so that it doesn't really look like a sticker. I'll kind of show you, if you can see on camera, the difference it makes when you smooth it down. I don't like to actually see like the bubbles behind my clear sticker paper or my clear stickers, so I just kind of smooth down off camera. I'll do that one off camera, but you can kind of see the difference. Hopefully you can see the difference. If not, there's a difference, I promise. Okay, so let's see what we can do here with these decorative stickers. I think I'm going to take the leaves and I'm going to place them. We're going to do some up top here, and I think we're going to do some at the bottom. Uh-oh. I'm going to have to pick that up before it sticks. And let's see, we can probably just use this little leftover piece right up here. All right, so we have leaves there, and then we're going to do leaves down here. So let's kind of do the same thing, but a little bit different down at the bottom here. Why don't we do this, and then we will cut off this long piece, and then cut off this short piece. The long piece we're going to use right here. All right, so we have leaves in the top and the bottom, ready for fall. And now let's decorate around and make kind of some clusters around these stickers. So I really want to use these adorable, or this adorable kitten. Now my dogs are barking. I think we're going to do this little kitten down here. I don't know who they're barking at, but hopefully they're not too loud. Okay, so we have that kitten there. And then I kind of want to do something up top on this side. So let's do the books with the candles. And we're going to kind of stick them like right here. But I'm going to cut right there. And we're going to try to just lay these right beside the box. I've got a therapy appointment in like an hour and a half, so I'm going to have to hurry up and go make supper so that my people can eat supper while I'm doing therapy. So then I think I kind of want to do this sticker here. And I'm pretty sure we're going to go over top. Just like that. Love it, love it, love it. All right, and then let's do some, I really want to do these boots. So I'm thinking we'll do these boots like right here. And I'm just going to cut up kind of like this. We'll see what this looks like. Oh no, come here. Okay, let's just kind of see if I cut this correctly. No, I want to move that up just a tad because I covered up my quotes. So let's move it up just a little bit. Just a little bit more. I'll get there eventually. Perfect. All right, look how cute that is. Okay, so now let's do some apple cider here. And we'll do, we're going to do this little beanie hat. I asked in my last video what you guys call them. Do you call them beanies? Because I don't know. I call them toboggans, beanies. Oops, I don't know. Different things all the time. So we'll put that one there. And I kind of want, I don't know, I kind of want to move this down a little bit. I feel like it kind of cuts off that quote just a tad. So let's move it down maybe here. Still cutting off that quote. So I'm wondering if I can take the quote and go over top of this little hat. Okay. And then let's see, what else do we want to do? I kind of want to put the little candle like right in here. So let's just cut the candle up this side just a little bit and put it right there. All right, look how cute this is. So now we're just going to incorporate some washi. I have used this entire sticker sheet, and I still have plenty of boxes. So technically you could get 2 of the $2 decorative sheets and 1 box, and for what, $7 you could decorate 2, maybe 3 spreads, which is much better than buying a $20, $25 sticker book and really not even using hardly any of the stickers, which is what ends up happening whenever I buy sticker books. I buy them for 1 or 2 sheets of stickers and then never really use any of the other stickers, and then I'm stuck with a bunch of sticker books to keep up with. So sticker sheets for the win, especially when they're only $2 a sheet. Okay, so let's try to incorporate some grid washi here. I'm just gonna try to fill in some of these blank spaces with some grid washi. Now I do use this, oh, I want to line up this line with the other line. So this layout I do use for journaling, but I basically, now that I'm working full-time and I don't have a lot of spare time to do a whole lot of journaling and things like that, especially, you know, doing Pleasantly Planned, I kind of just do like daily highlights. So I don't need an entire space to write what I need to write in my journal. So if you do need a lot of space to write in your journal, of course, you may not want to decorate this much, but I can get away with it because, like I said, I just basically do daily highlights. Don't need a whole lot of room to decorate for much else. All right, so we're going to do some of this brownish colored washi on this side, and I think we might just rotate the grid and the brown. Let's just kind of see what happens if we do that. I really don't want to do it here. I think I want to do something else here. So I'm going to do a little bit more grid down here. I do have some of this one that I tore off. So we'll do that one and then cut this off here. And what can we do for the brown? I'm feeling like we need to do, I don't like doing washi, but I'm going to see what it looks like just because. Just because. Yeah, that's not too terrible. I actually kind of like that. So let's try this. And then why don't we try a little bit of washi, the grid washi up here. And I'm actually going to try to cut it or rip it, not cut it, but rip it like that. All right, so this side is completely finished. So let's do this side with some washi. And I kind of want to do maybe some grid. So let's do a longer piece of grid washi and cut it in half, or rip it in half actually. This grid washi can be found on my shop while supplies last. I do have some left. So you'll have to try to grab it while it's still available. Not sure if it's going to restock or not. Oops. Stuck to my finger. Okay, so let's go from this side over. And I'm thinking I kind of want to go all the way because that's a long empty spot. So I'm thinking we're going to do washi all the way. And then maybe some washi here, or grid washi here, and then maybe a little bit of grid washi there. So let's just try and see what happens. So we'll do grid washi and grid washi. Okay. I'll cut this off. It's a little bit crooked, but it's okay. We're not going to let it get to us. All right, and so now we have grid washi. So now we just need to incorporate some of the brown washi. And I'm thinking we're going to do a little bit here. And maybe a little bit here and some there. Yep, I think that's what we're going to do. So I might actually put this one, well, we're going to do this the same way. We're going to put it over top of the gray line. And then let's do just a little bit here. Oops. Okay, there. Now I need to cut this off. Perfect. Look how cute this is. I love this spread. This is perfect for fall. Perfect for journaling. Let's put it back in my planner, see what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you'll give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow me over on Instagram. Again, these stickers can be found on my website at pleasantlyplanned.com. If you watch this video all the way to the end, I'll go ahead and let you know that these stickers are available now. So it is hopefully by the time you're watching this, Sunday, September 1st, so you can get first dibs on these stickers and place your order ahead of everyone else. So that is it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.